this is Katie at Applied Molecules. Today we have Nick demonstrating our drywall spackle. This is an already prepped site area that was cleaned out, so he's just applying some of our material to it, slowly building it up as to not use any more than is needed. Then he's applying some visible light to the area for about 10 seconds. We use visible light, so it's safe to use without any special protective equipment, as long as you don't look directly into the light. After those 10 seconds are up, the material is fully cured and ready to be sanded. If our drywall spackle looks interesting to you, feel free to contact us on appliedmolecules.com. We can give you more information and maybe even send you a sample. Once you're finished sanding, you can clear off the area of any dust or debris and apply any finish that you want, whether that's paint or primer or something else. So if this seems interesting to you, please contact us at Applied Molecules and we'll be happy to assist you.